Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick garden update. Built all these trellises recently. It's really helping me use my vertical space because I'm not allowed to have anything hanging on the or installed into the walls according to the HOA. But these trellises are working great. I haven't got any tomato plants, but my basil plant alone is huge. And it's been saving me, it's probably saved me about $100 on basil since I planted it. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue harvesting my basil. I'm gonna take it down again, but I've been making pesto like once a month, among other things. So I thought you'd just like to see the harvest and how much basil I get. I don't know what variety this is actually because I got it at Whole Foods. It had a root ball attached. I don't know if they changed it up, but I'll just show you guys really quickly how to harvest some basil. Okay, so when you harvest basil, you see how we have two little shoots here, right? And these leaves, you want to cut right above that, and it'll actually tell the plant that these want to become new stems, and you'll start seeing the new stems grow. Another thing when it comes to harvesting your basil is you want to make sure that if you do have a flowering variety, you're constantly cutting off the tops here. Because you don't want your basil plant to flower, because then it's going to signal that it's done its job of reproducing and it's the end of the plant's life. So always be aware of that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some basil just to show you guys, but I will make this cut lower in reality, but I just wanted to show you. I'm going to cut right there. And you got some basil, but I'm going to take it down super low. I just can't get that angle and hold the camera at the same time. You can see it's getting woody. That's how long this basil plant has been here. So I'm just going to cut probably the first node here. I'm going to cut it way down just because it's getting kind of insane over here. Honestly guys, I could probably cut this basil plant down more, but I have so much basil that I don't think I'd be able to use it all, so look how much I got. That's insane. So I'm gonna go make pesto out of this, and if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it in the description below. But thanks for hanging out with me in my garden. It's one of my favorite places to just like sit and relax, you know, without the phone, just sit in the quiet. Sometimes I have a cup of coffee out here. Love my rocking chair. It's a great way to meet my neighbors, so thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me, and see you next time on Grace's Place.